Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a short tutorial, very quick tutorial for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I split my images so that they blend seamlessly on Instagram. You know that you have the two sides where you can swipe and make them blend seamlessly. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick tutorial on how I do that. There are loads of them on YouTube, but I tried some of them and it was a little confusing the way that they do it with the one box. So I developed a quicker method, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If this is your first time here, please do consider subscribing and let's jump right into it. Alright, so we're going to open this with Photoshop. And this is the image. Alright, so now Facebook works with the 4 by 5, the 4 by 5 tiles. So that's how Facebook works for the aspect ratio of their box. So when you to get the first frame, it's got to be 4 by 5, and then the second frame it got to be 4 by 5, but then they got to match, they got to merge seamlessly for that transition to be smooth. So what I'm going to do here right now, you're going to have to resize your image, okay guys? So there's no running away from that. You won't get the same exact image, so you're going to have to resize it to how you want it to fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new page. I'm going to, it doesn't really matter, you don't have to name it, it's you're just saving it, you're just making this for Instagram. So normally it would be a 4.5, right, which would be the one tab of the Instagram slide, but you want two tabs. The ones I see on YouTube, people use this one tab and then they cut it and then they do the other side and cut it, but then you have to make sure it matches and it pairs up right, or it's not going to be seamless. So I don't want to do that because that's too much of making sure it's correct. So what I do is I just create the whole slide, which is the 8 by 5. I leave everything as the same. Make sure it's in inches and not pixels, so you want it in inches. So 8 by 5 and you click OK. It's going to open this. So what you're going to do now is you're going to drag your image after you finish edit or whatever. You're going to drag your image over to this. I like to convert my images to a smart object so that when I resize it, it retains all the details. So I'm just going to convert this to a smart object. So as soon as it's done, we'll continue. Okay, so now I'm going to resize. So I am going to resize this to fit within this frame. Now remember, what you're seeing here is the actual slide. These are the two parts. So it's not the one part, you're actually doing the whole image. So this is why it's easier for me, because I can already see what the image is going to look like, as opposed to cutting half and then cutting half and hoping that that matches up seamlessly. So I'm going to resize this to fit within this frame. Alright, so I want to bring it up a little bit. Make sure she fits good. Alright, so this for me is good right here. So I'll hit enter. Okay, now when you're moving this, what I love about Photoshop is it shows you the center. See, so you can see the line that shows you where the center is going to line up. So if I moved it, this would not be the center of the image, you know. So your line would be somewhere around here and not cutting through her. I wanted to cut through her, so I'm going to put it to make it the center there, right? So that's good. So now I already know that this is the center of the image, so this is where the image is going to split from. So now I'm just going to use my Marquee tool. Because it's 4 by 5, remember it's 4 by 5, so I'm going to create a Marquee tool. And Photoshop is so dope that you have the, as you can see, you have the width and the height. So we already know that the height is 5, that's not going to change, but you want the width to be 4. So I'm going to just bring it across until I see 4 right here. So the width is 4,000 inches, or 4 inches, sorry, and the height is 5 inches. Perfect. So this is the first half. This here is your first half for the first slide, right? So what you're going to do now is you are going to duplicate this. So I'm just going to hit Command J, and I created a duplicate. So if I remove this, see, you only see half of this image. If I put this back, it's the full image. So what we're going to do again is you're going to go back on the bottom image, and you're going to do it now from this side. So it's still going to be the same 5, and now you're going to go to get the 4 in the inches. So let's go get 4. So here you go again. So now you have the 5 by 4 on this side, and I'm going to duplicate this side. So now if I hide these layers, so now you can see I have the left side and I have the right side. So now you know that this is seamless already, because you are cutting it basically from the whole image, so you know that this is seamless. Okay, so from here, all I do now is I go to my image and I go to canvas size, right? So now you don't want the 8 anymore, because you want the separate slides. So you're going to put 4 by 5 inches, and you're going to click OK. You will get this because it's smaller. You're making it smaller than the canvas, so that's no problem. Just click proceed. Alright, so now you have, this is the first half of the slide, and you're going to want to put the first piece. So this now, all you do, oh, let's go back. Sorry, I didn't select it. So all you do, you select the layer that you want to move, and as you can see, it's already cut to this 4.5. So all you do is you fit it. That's it. You save this. So I'm going to save this as, let's just say, first half. So I'm going to save this. Let's go documents and JPEG. Let's just say first half. First half. Save that. And then you hide this one, you put this one, make sure you select it, and then you just drag this one over to this edge. And you save that one. So I'm going to save this as second half. Second half. And that's it, guys. That is it. Nice and easy. So now you send this to your phone, and then you're going to put the first one up and the second one, which I'm going to show you. So let's go over to that. Alright, so now we are on my iPhone. So as you can see, we have the two images here. You have the first half and you have the second half. Alright, so we are now going to go to Instagram. I'm going to go to my other page. So we're going to go to Instagram. I am going to select the first half. Now you're going to press the little button here to resize it. So you see, even if you try and move it, it's not going to, because that's the size it is for the Instagram frame. Now you're going to select the multiple, and you're going to choose the second half. And that's it. So once you choose those two halves, you click next. You'll see it here if you want to add your filter or whatever you want to do. And then that's it. So let's just post this test slide image, and then you post and you share, and sorry, disregard that picture. And here you go, guys. So as you can see, seamless entry right here. Alright, so that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick and short tutorial for all those who want to do the slide image. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, this is my Instagram, so you guys make sure you go to my Instagram and follow me at Kerwan Celestine, and you can check out my images that I have here. So we hope you guys hope you guys enjoyed that. And until the next time, see you in the next one.